how to fix YouTube watch history not updating on iPhone. Watching videos but nothing shows up in your watch history. Let's fix that on your iPhone. First, make sure you're signed in. Watch history only updates for logged in users. Tap on Library and tap on History. Tap on the three dots and History Controls. Make sure Pause Watch History is turned off. If you're switching devices, make sure you're signed in into the same Google account across all platforms. Now your watch history should reflect all your recent views. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.